for local dealerships.
We do contribute a lot to the tax base of the city, and any breaks we got there would certainly be advantageous for us, you bet.
While consumer confidence is low, there are other proposals in Washington right now, including some that could encourage Americans to invest in a new vehicle. There's talk of making new car taxes, even the interest of your car loan, deductible.
A consumer that's paying interest on a vehicle, I think if he could write that interest off, it certainly would be a stimulus on a local level, and it wouldn't cost the taxpayers anything.
Another idea is called Cash for Clunkers. It would offer rebates to Americans with old gas guzzlers so they can buy new, more fuel-efficient vehicles. Some people we spoke with think the incentives will help turn things around.
Consumers are always going to buy cars, so let's help them out.
Others believe the tax incentive ideas could just make things worse for Americans.
The way the country's shape is in right now, I'm going to have to make payments for 5 years on a car. There ain't no way I'm going to spend my money like that or get into debt over that, you know.
Now, we've contacted a few local lawmakers to find out what they think of the ideas and proposals. We'll hopefully have their responses later this week. Cynthia?